tweet by Ojok Oulanyah marks a significant and sharp pivot in the narrative surrounding his father's death. While Ojok previously appeared to align with the political status quo, even endorsing Speaker Anita, this cryptic post suggests a deep-seated suspicion that has finally surfaced publicly. The Luo proverb "Tong Mao Neurot Oberu Tong Mainyere" translates to "the spear that killed the king was the spear closest to him." In the context of Ugandan politics and the specific history of Jacob Oulanyah's passing, this is not merely a timeless reminder of cynicism. It is a targeted metaphor. By using the term "the spear closest to him," Ojok is pointing toward proximity. In a political hierarchy, no one was closer to the late Speaker Jacob Oulanyah than his then deputy Anita. And then also you should remember that the grandfather to this gentleman also said the same thing during the burial. So look at the past and the present. The grandfather's allegation at the burial in Moro, Jacob Oulanyah's father, Nathan Lokoris, stated unequivocally that his son did not die of natural causes, but was poisoned. From the spiritual context, the spiritual wind mentioned during the funeral rite is often imported in Acholi culture as a sign of an unsettled spirit or a revelation of foul play. On the political shift, Ojok's decision to tweet this as a standalone statement rather than a reply indicates a deliberate move to set a new agenda. It signals that despite his previous endorsement, he may now be validating his grandfather's long-held claims. The proximity mentioned in the proverb is both professional and personal. Anita transitioned from Oulanyah's deputy to his successor. By reviving this proverb, Ojok is leaning into the public sentiment that those who benefited most from Oulanyah's exit may have had a hand in it. So a note for you: while official medical reports cited natural causes, breast cancer and multi-organ failure, the cultural and political weight of the poisoning narrative remains a potent force in northern Uganda. So is Oulanyah's son saying what his late grandfather said? And do you think Anita did it? That's the question.